This is for my hair. Looks like a pet. It is such a rainy day. It's making me just be sleepy and really not do anything but lay in bed. I actually do want to be productive today. I want to be productive from my bed, and I'm just gonna let myself do it because it's gonna make me happy. I have jumped on the trend, the gratitude journal. I am not great at it, but I have to say, doing it when I can, I do feel better. So this gratitude journal, it's a morning and night. I'll open a random page in case you needed to see that today. You have your days of the week, and then it says, I am grateful for, gives you lines. So that's kind of the gist of this one. It is more structured. I know a lot of people don't like the structure. They kind of like having more of a journal style book so they can kind of create their own prompts. I like the structure, at least to start off, because I'm very new to gratitude journals. It also has a nighttime version. And it has like a little quote, and then the nighttime one. I don't know, guys. I saw it on Amazon and I was like, you know what? Let me jump on this trend. I don't really feel like I talk great about myself, especially when I'm working hard. I feel like I'm very hard on myself. So to take a second in the morning, as this journal says 6 minutes, just remember what I have. I think it's a really great thing. Good morning. It is the next day. My videographer coming so I can film all of my workout. I'm out of breath because I literally just ran up the stairs, but I've been accumulating workouts since 11/9, and I've been like kind of stacking workouts out and some stretches because I definitely want to start. I'm just gonna kneel. I definitely want to start incorporating some stretches in my workout, in my YouTube series of workouts and movement and stuff. I'm also just like feeling like bleh today. I'm not feeling the most confident in myself. And your girl's just feeling a little bloated and just like bleh. So usually what I do before the videographer gets here is I write everything down on a whiteboard. But this whiteboard I got like a long time ago, not even that long, but I've been noticing that I've been kind of maxing out on space. So I kind of want to get a bigger whiteboard, but I just don't know if that's like necessary to spend money on. I feel like I can like make do, you know what I mean? So we're just gonna do that. I think I'm gonna start with the stretching because I need that myself. And then we're just gonna go right into a 20-minute workout, full body. So I am looking forward to it, but I'm gonna be so freaking tired because I took 2 days off. So yeah. I made a dream of mine come true. Actually so excited about it. I never thought that this time in my life would come so soon, but it's here and I am so excited. I labeled everything in here, from all the nuts and chia seeds and coconut and pine nuts, flax seeds, chocolate chips. I put everything in these jars that I got on Amazon for Black Friday, and I put them all in these jars. I didn't label things like this because it's pretty obvious that this is chocolate chips, but things like baking soda, baking powder, almond flours, coconut flours, I labeled. And these guys, they're so good. They look like this.